What if I told you that right now, inside your own veins, something dangerous is quietly unfolding? For millions of adults, a massive spike in blood sugar happens every single time they finish eating, yet they feel absolutely nothing. It is not because of bad genetics, and it is not just a normal part of getting older. I am Dr. Babar, a board-certified internal medicine and diabetes specialist. Over my career, I have watched patients spend thousands of dollars on the latest weight loss injections to fix this exact issue. I have treated the severe side effects of those drugs, and I have seen the medical devastation when people finally have to stop taking them. The pharmaceutical industry wants you to believe that expensive prescriptions are your only option, but the truth is entirely different. You can actually lower blood sugar naturally using two incredibly common vegetables that are probably sitting at your local grocery store right now. But before we talk about these two vegetables, you must understand what that trapped sugar is physically doing to your internal organs. And if you stay with me until the very end, I will reveal a simple eating sequence using these exact vegetables that physically forces your digestive system to release its own powerful blood sugar blocking hormone. When that excess sugar gets trapped inside your bloodstream, it does not just sit there peacefully, waiting to be used by your body. It begins a highly destructive chemical process called glycation, where the free sugar aggressively glues itself to your healthy proteins. Imagine taking a delicious creme brulee and blasting it with a heavy blowtorch. The intense heat caramelizes the sugar on top, instantly turning it into a stiff and brittle crust. That exact same dangerous caramelization process is happening inside your blood vessels right now. Once those healthy proteins become caramelized, they turn into dangerous advanced structures that act exactly like tiny shards of glass. Every single time your heart beats, these microscopic glass shards are violently pushed through the most delicate vessels in your entire body. They slowly slice through the tiny capillaries inside your eyes and violently scrape against the sensitive filtration units inside your kidneys. The scariest part about this internal damage is the true timeline. Authentic medical studies clearly show this quiet destruction happens for 5 to 10 entire years before anyone is ever officially diagnosed with diabetes. You will not feel a single warning sign while those tiny blood vessels slowly rust from the inside out. Before we uncover the massive flaw with modern pharmaceutical treatments, please tell me in the comments where you are watching from today and how long you have struggled with managing your blood sugar. If this detailed explanation is finally making sense of your frustrating health journey, make sure to carefully subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Knowing that this permanent cellular damage is happening in the background makes the current medical trends incredibly frustrating. When people finally realize their blood vessels are struggling, doctors immediately prescribe expensive weight loss and diabetes injections to force the numbers down. But relying on those artificial hormones completely ignores the caramelized damage happening at a cellular level. In fact, those wildly popular medications actually come with a terrifying and immediate rebound effect that the massive pharmaceutical companies desperately want to keep completely quiet from the general public today. The pharmaceutical industry is making billions selling these weight loss injections. When you start taking these medications, the results feel like magic. Your blood sugar drops quickly and the extra weight melts away. But you are never healing your damaged cells. You are simply borrowing metabolic health for a high monthly price. The medication takes over your natural systems, artificially forcing your body to manage sugar spikes. But what happens when you stop taking these expensive shots due to severe side effects or financial drain? A massive new medical study released in early 2026 finally exposed the terrifying truth about stopping these medications. The moment that artificial liquid leaves your system, your body experiences a violent and asymmetric hormonal storm. Your natural hunger signals instantly skyrocket to unnatural levels, while the hormones that normally make you feel full completely crash. You are left with a raging appetite that you cannot physically control. Because your body forgot how to manage blood sugar on its own, the internal damage instantly returns faster than before. Patients are rapidly regaining nearly 2 pounds every single month after they stop the injections. All of those hard-earned results simply vanish into thin air, leaving you much worse off than when you started. This is the ultimate trap of relying on artificial symptom management instead of focusing on true cellular repair. You become a dependent lifetime customer instead of a truly healed patient. True cellular healing means repairing your body from the inside out so it functions properly on its own without weekly injections. To achieve this permanent repair, you must introduce natural compounds that physically fix your broken cell receptors. Fortunately, nature has already provided the exact tools we need to rebuild that cellular armor. There is one specific vegetable that actively repairs those caramelized blood vessels and significantly drops your fasting blood sugar. You probably pass by it in the local grocery store every single week without ever realizing its true medical power. Let us uncover exactly what this powerful food is and how you must prepare it to activate its hidden healing properties. That incredible cellular armor comes from a very familiar vegetable that most people completely underestimate. I am talking about broccoli, and more specifically, fresh broccoli florets and tiny broccoli sprouts. When you eat this green vegetable, your body extracts a powerful natural compound called sulforaphane. Think of sulforaphane as a master key that directly enters your cells and unlocks your internal defense system, which scientists call the NRF2 pathway. Once this pathway is fully activated, your body naturally increases its insulin sensitivity from the inside out. Your cells stop resisting the insulin and finally allow that trapped sugar to leave your bloodstream safely. This is not just some internet health rumor. A major clinical trial conducted at the prestigious Gothenburg University in Sweden proved this exact mechanism in human patients. Researchers gave this specific broccoli compound to adults who were struggling with severe blood sugar spikes. After just 12 weeks, the patients experienced a massive drop in their fasting blood sugar levels without taking any pharmaceutical drugs. Their damaged cells actually healed and began functioning correctly again. This vegetable acts as a direct shield against the dangerous caramelization damage we discussed earlier, actively protecting your pancreas and repairing your broken insulin receptors. But there is a massive catch that almost everyone misses when they prepare broccoli for their dinner. The powerful sulforaphane locked inside this vegetable is incredibly fragile and highly sensitive to heat. If you cook your broccoli the way most Americans normally do, you will completely destroy the essential enzymes required to activate this cellular healing. You could eat a giant bowl of this vegetable every single night and get absolutely zero blood sugar benefits if you make this common kitchen mistake. To actually unlock the true medical power of broccoli, you must follow a very strict preparation rule. I will show you the exact portion size you need and the precise cooking method required to keep this powerful compound alive before revealing the second vegetable. You must understand this cooking rule perfectly to save your health. Let us carefully look at the exact preparation steps right now. To unlock that medical power, you have to protect the delicate chemistry happening inside the broccoli. If you boil your broccoli in a pot of boiling water or blast it in the microwave until it is completely soft, you instantly kill the specific enzyme needed to create sulforaphane. You are essentially turning a powerful cellular medicine into a bowl of useless, soggy mush. The scientifically proven method is actually incredibly specific. You must lightly steam your fresh broccoli for exactly 3 to 4 minutes. This short steaming time is the perfect sweet spot for your body. It softens the tough vegetable just enough for easy digestion while keeping the essential blood sugar lowering enzymes perfectly intact. For the required daily portion size, you only need 1 cup of fresh broccoli florets, which is about 90 grams. Alternatively, you can choose to use just 10 grams of raw broccoli sprouts, which naturally contain massive amounts of this amazing healing compound. If learning this simple kitchen trick makes you feel more empowered about your health today, please take a quick second to gently tap the like button so this vital medical information can reach more people who are secretly struggling. While this properly cooked broccoli acts as a powerful cellular shield, it is truly only half of the complete medical equation. Your bloodstream still resembles a chaotic traffic jam filled with trapped sugar waiting to exit. To fully clear out that dangerous biological congestion, you need a highway widener to physically open up your tight blood vessels. That brings us to our second specific vegetable, which uses a completely different chemical mechanism to flush the trapped sugar away. This next everyday vegetable is an absolute circulation engine, and you will be shocked at how fast it works when you prepare it correctly. To widen that congested biological highway, you need to introduce dark leafy greens into your daily routine. To widen that, the absolute best choice for this specific job is fresh spinach. While broccoli repairs your broken cells, spinach operates using an entirely different and highly effective medical mechanism. This dark green vegetable is packed with natural inorganic nitrates. When you eat them, your body quickly converts these nitrates into a powerful molecule called nitric oxide. You can think of nitric oxide as a biological traffic cop that instantly forces your tight, stressed blood vessels to relax and open up. This rapid widening allows your blood to flow freely, bringing vital oxygen to your organs and flushing that trapped, damaging sugar right out of your system. This is a scientifically proven phenomenon that protects your body long term. A massive 12-year medical study conducted in Australia tracked thousands of adults and discovered something incredible. People who consistently ate dark leafy greens like spinach slashed their risk of developing type 2 diabetes by a massive 26%. Furthermore, a major human clinical trial published in the Nutrition Research Journal in the year 2021 proved that eating spinach directly improves insulin sensitivity in overweight adults. It achieves this by enhancing the actual insulin signaling pathways inside your muscle cells. Your muscles suddenly wake up and start burning that excess sugar for immediate energy instead of letting it sit and caramelize in your veins. To get these incredible cardiovascular benefits, you need about 2 cups of fresh raw spinach or 1 cup of lightly cooked spinach every single day. Unlike broccoli, the powerful nitrates in spinach are incredibly stable and will survive light cooking on your stove. But here's the most important question you should be asking yourself right now. If broccoli repairs your broken cells and spinach widens your blocked blood vessels, what happens inside your stomach when you eat them at the exact same time? The medical answer to that question involves a hidden digestive trick that literally forces your own gut to manufacture a powerful natural weight loss hormone. When you combine properly cooked broccoli and fresh spinach in your stomach, you create a biological superpower. But the real secret is not just what you eat. The true medical breakthrough is exactly when you eat them during your meal. If you eat these high-fiber vegetables first, before any carbohydrates or proteins, something incredible happens. That heavy plant fiber mixes with your digestive fluids to create a thick, protective net inside your stomach, which doctors call a viscous gel matrix. This sticky mesh physically traps the sugary carbohydrates you eat afterward. Instead of flooding your bloodstream all at once, the sugar slowly drips into your system over several hours. This safely prevents the violent insulin spike that damages your delicate blood vessels. But slowing down the sugar is only the beginning of this incredible digestive trick. When that heavy vegetable fiber hits your lower intestine, it physically presses against special sensors called L cells. This direct physical pressure forces your own gut to release a powerful natural hormone called GLP-1. Yes, this is the exact same weight loss hormone that people are currently paying thousands of dollars for at the local pharmacy. Your body actually manufactures it for free, without any dangerous side effects or terrifying rebound weight gain. A groundbreaking clinical trial called the Pattern Study, published in the Clinical Nutrition Journal in the year 2020, proved this exact biological mechanism. Researchers tested healthy adults and discovered that eating vegetables first, followed by meat and then rice, triggered a massive release of natural GLP-1. This simple food order strategy crushed their post-meal blood sugar spikes by a staggering 38%. They achieved pharmaceutical-level results just by rearranging the exact same food on their dinner plate. This completely destroys the modern pharmaceutical argument. You do not need to rely on expensive artificial injections that aggressively steal your muscle mass and trap you as a lifetime customer. You can generate that exact same metabolic protection naturally at your own dining room table. You are telling your digestive system to medicate itself using everyday grocery store vegetables. But knowing this powerful science is absolutely useless if you do not know how to actually put it on a plate. You need a simple strategy that fits perfectly into a busy American lifestyle. Let me show you how to build this ultimate blood sugar blocking meal tonight. Building this biological shield in your own kitchen is incredibly simple. You do not need complicated recipes to start healing your cells tonight. Begin your dinner by eating a fresh salad made with exactly 2 cups of raw spinach. Immediately after that, eat 1 single cup of broccoli florets that have been lightly steamed for exactly 3 to 4 minutes. You must consume both of these high-fiber vegetables completely before you ever touch your meat or carbohydrates. By consistently following this exact food order, you actively block that dangerous glucose spike and naturally trigger your own healing hormones. You are taking your power back from the modern pharmaceutical industry. Instead of spending over $1,000 every single month on synthetic injections that quietly melt your muscle mass, you are spending roughly $5 a week on real food that repairs your body permanently. This is true cellular healing that you will own forever. There is a very high chance you know a family member or a friend who is quietly terrified about their rising blood sugar right now. Please share this video directly with them so they can finally discover a safe and natural solution. Giving someone their health back is the greatest gift possible, but protecting your blood sugar at dinner is truly only half of the daily battle. While these 2 vegetables will beautifully armor your cells at night, you might be accidentally destroying all of that hard work the moment you wake up. There are extremely popular morning meals that violently spike your insulin and completely sabotage your internal healing. You must immediately click on the video appearing on your screen right now to uncover the 10 breakfast foods you must absolutely never eat again. I will see you over there to continue protecting your health.